Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well and you're taking life a step at a time, right? So in today's video, I want to show you how I achieve my home-based tomato paste. The mixture of this tomato paste is all you will need for a tasty meal, a tasty jollof rice, a tasty stew, a tasty spaghetti jollof, just about anything that you want to cook. The mixture is all you will need. To begin, you'll buy your tomato, pepper, shombo, tatashi, onions, garlic, ginger. Fresh ginger is preferable, pepper, scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper, all of them. Mix them together, wash thoroughly to remove sand, and then you're going to blend it until it is smooth. I will then introduce the mixture into the pot, as you can see, and then I'll bring it to a boil for up to 10 to 20 minutes, and after that I will turn off the heat and allow it to cool down a little bit. Now there's another method you can also use. After grinding the tomato, you pour it into a cheesecloth or into a sack bag depending on the quantity of the tomato. You tie it up and just place something on it and allow it to release the water that it has, and after that you will have a tomato paste. But for me, I prefer this method because this is the one I've been using, and each time I do this it comes out very nice. I will get a sieve. You're going to make sure that the sieve is tight, is not wasteful of your product, right? Then you introduce the tomato bit by bit into the sieve and allow this to properly drain all the water that it has, and you have your tomato. So this is the water that has gone out. It is just pure water, apart from the first tomato that went in when I was trying to make the base. So basically the water has gone out. All you have is your tomato left. You're also gonna keep it and cover it to avoid any fly, from perching around it. And here I changed to another sieve. The sieve is a bit tighter than the first one that I used. You can see that the water from the sieve is a bit clearer than the first one. And after doing all of that, you are just on your way to having the best tomato paste you can ever think of. You can use this for your stew, your jollof rice, spaghetti, and what have you. You can see that the water from the sieve is a bit clearer than the first one, and this is how you make yourself the best tomato paste combo. Now it has fully dropped, the water is clear, everything is out of the way. Okay, you're going to store this into your container or a ziploc, just anything that you will use to keep it safe. So I stored this in my container and I will cover and then refrigerate this. Now they say also that you can include a little bit of vegetable oil into it and then keep it, that it will not spoil, but I've not done that before. I always refrigerate my own, and each time I want to cook, I'll just bring it out and I will use it. This is how you can make your personal tomato paste at home, and you know exactly what you're eating, and this is what I do. If you like, you can also do that. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way with the next video, do have a pleasant day. Bye bye.